Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, where everything is better in cast iron. And today, boy, we've got a really neat little recipe for you. Yesterday we made a Game Day queso dip recipe, but today what we're going to make is a Game Day nachos, and we're going to do it all in cast iron. Okay, here's our ingredients. Of course, yesterday I told you we had about a half of that batch of ground beef and sausage, so we're going to use that up today. There's our queso that we made yesterday. If you've not yet seen that video, I'll leave that in the cards and in the comment section there, and also in the description. We've got some corn tortilla chips that we're going to be using. I've got some onion, some white onion chopped up. I've got some green bell pepper here. I've got some black beans that we drained, and also some black olives we're going to put on here. I've got my special there, Rotel, we've got that, and then I've got some sliced jalapenos. We're possibly going to put on there a few of those, and then we've also got some Mexican queso or Mexican style cheese that we're going to sprinkle on there as well. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and start putting all this together, and we'll show you what this looks like here in just a second. Okay, we've got our oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and just start putting all this together. This is so simple to do, real easy to do in a cast iron skillet. We've got our 14-inch double-handled cast iron skillet here, so I might as well just put all of them in there, looks like to me. That's going to work, isn't it? Oh yeah. Get those kind of tossed around there a little bit. I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of this hamburger and sausage meat here. Boy, this is going to be so good. My goodness, this is a game day treat, but you can have this anytime. And so we'll go ahead and get these ingredients in there, put that little bit of chopped onion on here as well. And we're going to add a little bit of green bell pepper to this mix. This is going to be like a nacho supreme in a way. We got these black beans here, and we just took those out of the can and we rinsed those off real good, get all that sauce and everything off the beans. We'll try to keep everything as dry as possible, that way you don't have a lot of sogginess in here. Same way with the black olives, we took and drained those, and we're just going to kind of layer these in here a little bit. And I'm gonna take my Rotel. This is I just love this stuff, man. This is so good. And I always get the Rotel original. It's diced tomatoes and green chilies. And some recipes that I use, I don't drain it. I use the juice in it because I need that extra sauce. But something like this where we don't want our chips to get soggy, then I'll just layer it in here, drain it and just layer it in here like that. Now, once we get all that in there, then I just want to take and add a little bit of cheese to this. And this is a Mexican style cheese. Now you can use any kind of cheese you want, but I figure with nachos like this, I might as well use some kind of Mexican style cheese with it. And you know, we couldn't do this without drizzling a little bit of this queso cheese on here as well. You know what I mean? I mean, let's just put a little bit of that on there, huh? How about that? That looks pretty good to me. So now I'm going to get ready and put this in the oven, and what we're going to do, we're going to cook this at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. So we'll be back here in just a few minutes to show you what this looks like. Okay, well, the timer just went off and we just pulled this out of the oven, and so that's what it looks like right there. I'm going to go ahead and add me a few other things here to this. Got some Uncle Steve's spicy shake. I'm gonna put just a little bit of this on here just to add a little kick to it, a little flavor. And I want to add a few jalapeno slices to this. Here and there, just a few, not a lot, because somebody doesn't like them as much as I do. I won't call no names this time, but anyway. We'll go ahead and put a few on here. And then I want to put a good little dollop of sour cream on here too. And so that's what it looks like right there. So I'm going to get ready and plate some of this up and give it a taste test and see what it's like. Alright, let's get a little bit of this out of here and try this out. Oh boy, look at that. Getting a little bit of that sour cream, some of that jalapenos too. Man, look at that, folks. I mean, we're talking about game day nachos here now. Oh boy. Cheesy. Can you feel me? I mean, do you know what I'm talking about here? Wow. Folks, this is so easy to do in a cast iron skillet. I mean, you just throw your nacho chips in there, layer your meat on it, put you some cheese, put whatever you want to put to it. That's the great thing about this. You can make nachos any way you want, but this is our game day nacho recipe. And we're gonna leave some links down in the description where you can check out some other recipes that we have. We're gonna have some stuff flying by us on the head here and everything. But if you guys hadn't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd ask that you do so. Hope you have a great game day, and we'll be talking to you soon. Again, it's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. We'll see you. Bye-bye.